Hey guys, it's Vince with Creative Rods. We are back from Goodguys, Raleigh. It is Tuesday morning. We're going to do a quick shop walk video to see what happened last week while we were gone. We'll be heading out tomorrow morning early for Nashville, Tennessee. Goodguys, if you are in the area this coming weekend, May 3rd through the 5th, we'll be there. Come see us. Let's check out what's going on in the shop today. Still got the S10. About ready to crank it up. We just haven't been in town to do all the checks on it. Got the firewall painted on the 69 olds. It needs to go in storage now until the custom frame comes in. Carter,
yeah,
tell me what you've been doing on this Crown Vic F100.
yesterday we got the Crown Vic body off of the frame. Last Friday we got the F100 body off of its frame, and then yesterday we brought the cabin here to set it down on the Crown Vic frame, and we're just mocking it up, seeing where we need to cut and seeing where the body bushings need to go.
So we're putting the whole Crown Vic frame, chassis, motor, everything on this F100.
Yep.
Cool. Lots of progress. Tyler's been working on the Nova. It's got the Ride Tech in it, strong arms, wheel wood brakes, sway bar. Got the leaf springs out. Now he's working on rear end.
Yep, putting the air bar and the rear suspension on.
Got new rear end chunk ordered. I think it's a 390 gear. So lots of progress on the Nova. You got the Bronco still sitting here. We got to wait till we get back to paint it. Nate Dogg doing body work. Yes, that is our interior guy doing body work.
This could be dangerous.
Well, you should. You should look at it from my side. Oh, hey. Well, it wasn't done with intention. Now you was going to be the one sanding it there, Bubba.
Girls, come on now.
Somebody had to straighten out your mess. We got some wadded under britches.
Some wadded under britches.
Wadded under britches. Wadded. Hey,
So,
you gonna ride that bull? I'm gonna ride that bull, son. Woo!
so we got Big Block working on the underside of the Apache hood. Yes, we are leaving tomorrow, and it will be done.
Well, he's pretty confident, ain't he? Very confident.
Got Professor T working on the radiator support.
Don't sound like there's
Not
any
sorry,
margin.
radiator cover.
Support hood latch assembly cover slash filler
All
slash
custom fabricated.
half and half, original, half fab, and it will be done.
So you'll see it at Nashville.
We get one piece at a time. You know that song, the Hot Rod Lincoln? Is it the Hot Rod Lincoln? No, it's not the Hot Rod Lincoln. It's Johnny Cash. One piece at a time.
No, let's not start singing.
We gotta get warmed up in Nashville.
Got Impala epoxy. Been working on the bus. Since Slick Sam been fine tuning it. Fine tuning it.
You really don't know that song?
That's about what's been going on. Right?
Here at Creative Rods.
Yeah, while we've been gone and
Why have been gone? Left.
yeah.
Somewhat. We ain't gonna say nothing. Before you build them
Putting the door.
a 59 Cadillac. But you know, I'm still thinking about your statement. We ain't got much margin for error, do we?
No.
What error? We don't make errors here. He was laughing. Who pulled your chain? I know y'all heard that. He was laughing. His nickname's Redo.
No.
Oh no, Milk It.
Milk it. He went from Nate Dogg to Milk It.
Milk It.
Hey, what is today?
Milk done.
Who's
Tuesday.
Who's Tuesday?
Tell them about this
Take
weekend.
off Tuesday with Professor T.
This weekend, Creative Rods and Restoration at Goodguys, Nashville Nationals.
Nissan Stadium.
Nissan Stadium. We're gonna be set up outside in the beautiful sun,
Cooking.
sun burning.
Actually, probably sitting in the rain one day.
Maybe not. Let's hope for the best.
We're gonna hope for the best.
I don't want to melt.
All right. It's a short video this morning.
You ain't worried about floating away?
That's funny. I'm gonna sing.
Nah. You got a lot of.
See you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.
See ya.
Say that again.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Hey.
Always remember,
Like, share.
ride that bull, son. Woo!
Hey y'all, I'm Miranda, and I'll be joining Creative Rods this weekend for the Goodguys Card Show in Nashville, Tennessee. We'll be there from May 3rd through May 5th. Come hang out with us.